Okay guys, this is AET Remote. I've seriously been waiting to open this all week. Just look at this packaging. That matte black box with the Sakura details. Super clean, super premium. Alright, let's get into it. And there's the moment we've been waiting for. Whoa, this is AET Remouled Sakura Edition. Okay, first impression, look at this. Doesn't even feel like a regular watch. It feels like a collectible pieces. It's so amazing. This is certificate card. It's made of the black ceramic. Oh my god, it's insane. Now let's talk about the details for a second. That white ceramic fish is insane smooth. It's almost feel like polished stone, but it's lightweight and super comfortable on the wrist. Okay guys, let's look at the details. The watch strap is made of the alligator leather. And the clasp, let's show you guys. The clasp is 18K gold. Alright, let's try it on. And the wrist presence, super clean, lightweight, comfortable, but still make a statement. It's very super comfortable. Okay guys, look at this watch. The watch matches the box perfectly. It all have the Sakura elements. A lot of people think white watches are hard to style, but honestly it's not. This goes with pretty much everything. Minimal looks, straight wear, clean fits. It just works. The more you look at it, the better it gets. This is definitely not your average watch. Honestly, if you're into unique pieces with strong design details, this one is absolutely worth checking out.